Hi everyone, my name is Jazmine Lambarca. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to reveal a purchase that I made recently for my 40th birthday. So that is a huge milestone that I reached, including a couple of other career milestones that I've reached, which are great. Everything's working great. I always gift myself something. I feel like in my early years, not a lot of people gave me stuff, so I just decided to just not wait for anybody, just give myself what I really want. So for my 40th, I thought about going to Paris because I've always wanted to go. I've not been there yet. I've been too busy working. So the thing is that I'm getting married this year, so I talked it out with my fiance. We decided to just go to Paris on our honeymoon. So then I didn't go to Paris for my birthday. My birthday is in April, at the end of April. So the thing is, it was almost set in stone. I was just so close to going. So then I just decided to go ahead and purchase a Lady Dior bag. So I started searching. So it took me a while. I didn't purchase anything right away in April. It took me like a month to figure out which one I wanted because I just had no idea which color I wanted the bag to be. So when it comes to luxury bags, Lady Dior bags are my #1 bag. That is on the top of the list. None other. Not Hermes, not Chanel. So I know that a lot of people like Hermes, like Chanel. A lot of people are just going for Hermes these days. But that's just not me. So my taste is Lady Dior. That's just my #1. I'm not saying I don't like any other bag. I'm just saying, like, for my top #1 preferred and desired dream bag, it will always be a Lady Dior bag. So this is just my preferences, my taste, and if I'm going to be spending a lot of money in a bag, it's going to have to be a stunning, beautiful bag. So that means like not plain, so it must be beautiful to me in my eyes. So once I decided I wanted to purchase a bag, then I started debating on the color, like which color. So the debate started right then and there. I had no idea which color I wanted. First, I knew it could never be a black bag. It can never be black. To me, this bag is just too stunning to be black. Then I discarded gray because I do like wearing gray, but I don't want to be purchasing gray bags anymore. I just don't wear gray bags anymore. And I thought about other colors like white, cream colors, other neutral colors, maybe like pinks. I love pinks. But then I started thinking more logically, like what am I actually going to wear day to day? What am I actually going to wear more often? Am I gonna wear a pink? No. Not really, not that often. And am I going to wear it in fall? No, not really that often. I have pink bags that I don't really wear that much. So long story short, I decided on a metal color. So I was thinking about silver or gold, and I was like, okay, I'm definitely a silver person. Always been a silver person. But then I was like, wait, I'm liking gold a lot more lately, especially this year. So I've been wearing a lot of different colors, golds, yellows, and also I thought it looked great for summer and my hair color. So I just started looking for gold bags. So I started going to their website and I did see a gold bag, but it was a very pretty gold color, but I feel like it was a bit off because personally, also if I'm buying a very pricey bag, it cannot be a funky color. It's like I've heard so many stories of people going to Hermes and then they put like a request. So they're offered a bag and then they give them like an orange color or like a purple color and they just take it. And it's like, that's not me. It will never be me. Absolutely not. So anyway, I wanted a gold color because it reminds me of the Serena van der Woodsen style. Her character wears a lot of gold, so I was like, oh my god, I'm into like my Serena van der Woodsen era this summer. But I didn't want to buy it online. I wanted to go in person. So where I live, there's no actual Dior boutiques individually. There's one in Nordstrom's here, but I just don't want to buy it in Nordstrom's. to be my first purchase like at all. So my plan was to just fly to Miami and get it, but that didn't happen. Plans changed, and so I just decided to just not book the flight because I found this one and I like this one a lot more. I was like, oh my god, and it felt right. It felt right. I felt in love with it really quick. Immediately I was like, oh my god, and then I can just envision myself wearing it for so many different events, for the fall, for the winter, for dinners, for parties, like events, and I was like, this is meant to be. So yeah, I was very sad that I didn't go to Miami because I definitely want to have like that full first time buyer of a Lady Dior bag experience, but I will do that next year. I couldn't resist. So this is a limited edition bag from the holidays of 2023. So it was just precious, so precious, and it's more like a jewelry bag. You know, it's kind of like a piece of jewelry pretty much. So I was like, I will go big or go home. So I got it from Europe and it took a couple of weeks to arrive. So before purchasing it, I definitely did sleep on it. I slept on it like that night, and then the next day it was kind of like meant to be. The bag was still there available, so I just went ahead and proceeded with the purchase. And it was a risk. I risked somebody else buying it, but yes, I am a purchase overthinker. I debate. I sometimes spend weeks or months debating a purchase. That's the way I am, and it's worked. It works for me. So I am 100% in love with this bag, and I will show you in a minute. Also, another thing is that I just didn't want any size bag. I specifically wanted the mini because I just like the strap that comes with the mini. I don't like all those thick guitar straps. I don't like those. I feel like those make the bag look really ugly. That's just my opinion. Here it is. This is the bag that I got. So it is entirely with a bunch of crystals, and it is metal. It is almost gold. It's more like a bronzy color, which I liked. And yeah, I just love this bag, and this is gold color, like a champagne gold color. I mean, how stunning is this? Absolutely stunning, and I am 100% in love with this bag, honestly. I can see myself wearing this for so many years, you know, like I'm not reselling this ever. So this is in size small, and I wanted also the bag to have a flap and no zipper. I don't know, they told me this was size small, but I believe them, right? I don't know. So it has that flap, which I really like, and yeah, so my phone does fit. I already tried, and it comes with this beautiful chain, bag chain, which I prefer. And I like that it has this leather here on top. I feel like that is absolutely genius because in the winter time, these chains get so cold, and then I just don't want to touch them almost because of how cold it is. Because during the winter, I just prefer to wear bags that have a little bit of leather on the handles. So I just really like this one. I just prefer this one. It looks better. It looks stunning with the bag. So this was in brand new condition, and it had all the stickers, all the covers for all the metal, and this bag has a lot of pearls as well, with the crystals, and it's just absolutely stunning, guys. So stunning. I am just in love with this bag, and I can't wait to wear it. When this bag arrived, I literally thought I was gonna tear up, but I didn't. I thought I was going to, but I really didn't. I was more worried about the condition of the bag. I always like to inspect things when they arrive, so I was just more focused on that. I think it's more my engineering mindset. So yes, my full-time job is an engineer. I'm a senior quality supplier engineer, so that's what I do for my full-time job. So I was more worried about that, and yeah, so anyway, so that is how I funded this bag with my full-time job. I definitely work my face off. I deal with issues day in, day out. There's never a shortage of situations, and literally you have to have your pants in your place if you're gonna deal with this kind of job. It's not for the weak, for sure. I feel like I've reached a huge milestone, and it was about time that I bought my first Lady Dior bag. My only regret is that I took the longest time to buy my first bag. Still, I'm happy that I got here finally. I don't know, I'm just so proud of myself for getting it. And I didn't film the unboxing of it, and I didn't film my reaction because I just wanted that to be a private moment for myself. I just wanted to be alone in that moment, just enjoying unboxing the bag, seeing the bag for the first time. I literally just wanted that moment for myself, but that's why I'm just doing a reveal instead of an unboxing. And I just want to say, if you also are dreaming of one, the only thing, you just have to work for it. You just have to plan it, put it on a schedule, and set up a goal, and that way you can achieve it. Because years ago this was not my goal, but now it was, and I just got it. It's just I planned it and I got there and I planned for it. But now I decided to not let anything or anyone hold me back, and I definitely decided to get it, and I can't wait to wear it. So now I'm going to put it on just so you know how it looks. Right, so this is how I will carry it pretty much, and I just love how it looks. Looks incredible. And probably like this as well, like just by the handles, and it looks just so precious. And this is how it looks crossbody. It looks amazing. The handles don't go down, it just stays like that, so they have to stay like that. It looks great. I mean, I don't mind it. I know some people are just hot and bothered by it, but I don't mind it like that. Whatever, it just doesn't matter. Alright guys, so that's it for my video today. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.